Mai Lu, as seen on Shark Tank. She's an inventor and best-selling author, and she has over 200 million views on social media. She is the world's best when it comes to home haircutting, thanks to her #1 invention, the CreaClip. She believes that whether it's surfing, dancing, or spearfishing, when you put your mind to it, anything is possible. This celebrity award-winning stylist invention sold out on Home Shopping Network, so it's now transforming families all over the world. CreaClip has won the Amazon bestseller, and it was also a finalist for the Best New Product of the Year by the Stevie Awards. Even Rachel Ray gave her a thumbs up.
But it's good for trimming. I like that. And I love the little level in it. Very trusty.
That works.
Okay.
Most recently, CreaClip was featured on ABC's hit TV show Shark Tank, where she landed a deal with QVC queen Lori Greiner. This was her biggest dream yet, and now she's heading to the QVC UK to sell this amazing signature product. Mai's newest endeavor is inspirational speaking. She empowers young entrepreneurs by speaking at schools and business conferences while sharing the stage with world-renowned speakers such as Bob Proctor and Mike Dooley from the movie The Secret. This self-made millionaire is passionate about inspiring others to live the life of their dreams.
That idea that you're holding back could change the world. So I want to share, just go for it. Just do it. If it was just because I did it, so can you. Thank you, everybody.
Give her a huge round of applause.